The Fair Immigration Reform Movement, FIRM, is a grassroots movement that supports comprehensive immigration reform and the civil rights of immigrants in the United States. It was started in 2000 by the Center for Community Change. It includes a coalition of 30 immigration rights movement organizations across the United States. FIRM's goals are to help grassroots organizations form a collective voice around comprehensive immigration reform and to address issues facing immigrants. Since its inception in 2004, FAIR has served as a hub of comprehensive immigration reform and the civil rights of immigration in the United States. This social movement has encouraged hundreds of immigrant and non-immigrant organizations to collectively call for the improvement of the lives of marginalized communities of color, gender, race, and ethnicity. References